In this video, I'll show you how to check all recent activities in Grammarly so you can quickly review your account activity and see where you're signed in. This is helpful if you want to keep track of active sessions, check for any unfamiliar devices, or simply stay on top of your account security. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Grammarly account page. You can do this by visiting account.grammarly.com or by signing in through Grammarly if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the account page, look for the Settings option. Click on Settings to open your account preferences and security-related options. After that, find the Recent Activity section. This is where Grammarly keeps a record of your recent account usage and active sessions. When you open Recent Activity, look under Devices to see a list of all active sessions, including the locations and devices that have accessed your account. Take your time reviewing the list carefully. If everything looks familiar, then your account activity is likely normal. But if you notice a device or location you don't recognize, that's a sign you may want to take a closer look at your account security. Checking this section regularly is a smart habit, especially if you use Grammarly across multiple devices or if you share access with a team. It helps you make sure your account is only being used where it should be, and that's it. Now you know how to check all recent activities in Grammarly in just a few clicks. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.